Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to improve your resume score using Resume Worded, a super helpful tool for job seekers in 2025. To get started, head over to resumeworded.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on a dashboard where you can upload your resume as a PDF or Word document. After uploading, Resume Worded will automatically analyze your resume and give you a resume score, usually out of 100. It evaluates things like impact, brevity, style, and skills based on your target job role. Now let's talk about improving your score. First, go through the suggestions listed on the left or below the score. Resume Worded highlights weak action verbs, overused phrases, missing keywords, and vague bullet points. Replace weak phrases like responsible for with powerful action verbs like led, managed, or spearheaded. Next, look at the skills and keywords section. This part compares your resume to job descriptions in your field. Add relevant hard skills or industry-specific terms that match your target role. Just make sure they fit naturally into your experience. Also, improve quantifiable impact. For example, instead of saying, helped increase sales, say increased sales by 25% in Q1 through strategic marketing. Another area to check is resume formatting. Resume Worded will tell you if you've used inconsistent fonts, spacing, or layouts. Clean formatting increases readability and looks professional. If you're applying for specific jobs, try their targeted resume feature. You upload a job description, and it shows you exactly how well your resume matches and what to tweak. After making changes, re-upload your resume and check the new score. Repeat this process until you hit at least 75 to 85 plus, which is considered a strong score. And that's how to improve your resume score using Resume Worded, an easy and efficient way to make your application stand out in 2025.